Documents that are needed during monetization. During monetization, there are some important documents that will be required from you. So if you are a new YouTuber or you just started your YouTube channel and you have in mind to run content creation as a side hustle, you need some documents that you have to put ready so that when you reach monetization threshold, you can use those documents to get monetized. Some people are not always ready. Whenever they reach that time, they'll be running helter-skelter, looking for one document or the other, or looking for one thing or the other. And in the end, they might make mistakes. So it's always good for you to be ready so that when that time comes, you will be ready and you will not be taken unawares. Now, you remember that before you can get monetized on YouTube, you must get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. And you will not know the time you will hit this threshold. So it's better you start on time and put these documents ready so that whenever it reaches that time, it will be very, very easy for you. Because some of the documents might take time for you to acquire them. And when you have reached that your threshold, you start running around for them and you might be distracted. So let me just run through those documents that are needed for monetization. The number one on my list is name. I'm starting with name because some people are fond of writing different names in filling their documents. Make sure that the name you use in filling your documents must be the same on the names that are on your identity card, all your identity cards. It must be the same name, the same surname, the same first name, and the same middle name. Don't go about changing names. Now, there are some people that will ask me whether they will use the name on their channel. So if your channel is bearing another name apart from your normal name, you don't need to use your channel's name. You will just use your normal name. Let me give you an example. My channel's name is Spectrum Entertainment. I don't need to use Spectrum Entertainment in my documents. I will use my normal name, which is Uchechukwu Kensele, in all my registration. Now, the way that name appears on your ID card, that is the way you will kind of write those names once you're filling all the documents for your monetization. The second thing is BVN, bank verification number. If you are up to 18 and you have bank account in any Nigerian bank, you must have BVN. BVN is bank verification number. Anybody that has account in Nigeria must have a BVN. So keep your BVN nearby. Keep it handy. Write it down somewhere that you can easily access it. Without BVN, you cannot be monetized. They always require that BVN number. The third one is NIN number. This one is very, very important. Don't play with it. You have not done your NIN. Please go to the nearest NIMS office, NIMSC office nearby, and do your names. Do it now, NIN, so that you have your national identity number. It is very, very important. Without national identification number, you cannot be monetized. YouTube is very particular about it, and they are very, very serious about it. If you don't input it, the monetization will not come through. So start early to go and access your NIN. It is very easy for you to do your NIN this time around, and it's better, and it will be very, very good for you to make sure that you keep it nearby. The third one is your bank account. You must open a domiciliary account. Some people had the argument that they want to open Naira account. It is possible for you to open Naira account and monetize with it. But the only disadvantage in using Nigerian bank account, which is using your Naira account, is that when you kind of, your money kind of get down to this place and you want to cash out, bank will give you your dollar in the naira, in the normal dollar equivalent on that bank, which sometimes is not the same thing on the black market. Let me give you an example. If dollar is 1,500 on the bank exchange rate, on the black market, it will be something like 1,700 or 1,750. So you see, you are losing a lot of money. So it is better that you do it with a domiciliary account, which is a dollar account, so that your money will come down to your dollar account and you kind of cash out your dollar and exchange in any way you deem fit. It is better for you than the bank exchanging it for you in their own dollar rate, which is very, very low. So that is why it is advisable to use dollar account. The next one is postal code. The postal code is the postal code of your city. It's the postal code of any post office that is near your house. It is very, very important. Some people make the mistake of just going to input any postal code they didn't fit. No, before monetization, go around the postal offices around your area and find out which post offices that are receiving AdSense pin. There are some post offices don't receive it. So make sure you put the ones that really receive it so that it will be easier for you to access it. And it will be easier for you to be going to those places. So what you should do is go to your nearby post offices, find the ones that are receiving it, find out their postal code and input it so that you can easily get your AdSense PIN letter. Without getting it, you cannot cash out your money. And in the AdSense PIN letter, you have opportunity of applying 3 times. After that third time, you can only do a kind of troubleshooting before you can get it. Troubleshooting is the one you can do online. That one is when you have tried 3 times. So it will give you 3 months to try before you do troubleshooting. So it is better for you to go and look for a post office that is functional in your area before the monetization so that you will know and you know their postal code. The next thing is AdSense account. AdSense account, people confuse AdSense account a lot. Please, I will advise you don't open any AdSense account before monetization. It is not advisable. It will kind of affect you. It is better during the monetization when you are a kind of filling the monetization form, there will be a place for you to open an AdSense account. It is better that way. Now know that when you open an AdSense account and it has stayed 3 months without being active, it will be deactivated and it will really affect you. Now, once you have opened an AdSense account before and you don't even remember the details, it will start affecting you. If you want to do monetization and you don't remember that AdSense account or whether it has been deactivated, it will really affect you. Start looking for a way to close those ones before your monetization filling and monetization documentation can go through. So it's better to don't open any AdSense account. Wait till your monetization before you can go ahead and do it. The next one on my list is tax identification number, TIN, TIN. That one is very, very important. Tax identification number. It is very, very important, but it is very easy to get. You can go to any FIRS office around you and tell them that you want to generate your tax identification number, which is TIN number, and they will do it for you with a token of something like 3,000 naira. You can do it in any state you are, whether you are an origin of that state or not. So far as you're resident on that state, you can do it on any state. Then you can generate it online too. You can go to jtb.com.org.nige. You can generate your own tax identification number. That is jointaxboard.nige.org, so that you can go and generate your own tax identification number. And it doesn't take time. Within a week, you must have generated your own. Some takes a day, some take 2 days, or within a week, depending on how it is. Then you can go to that office physically and collect the form so that it will be easier for you. The next thing on my list is your identification cards. Identity cards are very, very important. Please don't forget that one. Identity card. Your ID cards, the ID cards that YouTube recommend is voter's card, international passport, and driver's license. Some people have the argument that they normally collect NIN cards, but personally, I have not seen anybody that has used it. Personally, it might be possible, but I don't know. What I am sure and what has been written is a voter's card, international passport, and driver's license. So get any of these ready and keep it handy, because the international passport, before you can get it, it will take up to 2 or 3 weeks. When you have applied, they will generate your name and everything before the international passport will come out, even the driver's license. So it's better you start early before you hit monetization and get all these things ready, because they take time and they take money. Likewise, dollar account. Dollar account, you will require like $100 to open an account, depending on the bank. Some bank will charge $50 to open the account. So now the ID card that I have talked now, the 3 of them, make sure you get them ready. Then another thing is your address. Your address. Make sure that the address you're inputting on all the documents or on all the monetization documents and the addresses that are on your ID card, because it will help you. even when you're troubleshooting, it will be that address on your ID card that they will use, identifying your address and verifying your address. If you're changing addresses, it will really affect you. Then on your bank account, make sure that the name you put on your bank account is the name that you use in filling those documents. Then the last but not the least is that you will make sure that when you're opening your AdSense account, you will use a different email. This one is very necessary so that when hackers attack your channel, or if that kind of thing happens, it will not affect your AdSense account. So in doing that, you must have protected your AdSense account so that it cannot be hacked by hackers online. So these are the documents that I feel that are very much needed before you can monetize your channel. So, and it's very, very okay for you to keep them handy before the monetization period will reach, so that you will not say, had I known. So if you have enjoyed this my content and it has been valuable to you, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel so that whenever I drop any amazing content like this, you'll be one of the first people to see it and to be able to enjoy it.